Hey there, and welcome. If you're frustrated with wasting hours trying to build your own website from scratch or spending hundreds of dollars on service bundles that promise big results but deliver very little, then you're absolutely in the right place. Because in this detailed breakdown, we're diving deep into a tool that claims to be the world's ultimate WordPress-based funnel solution. It's called WP Funnel Pro, and it's designed to help you create over 10,000 ultra-fast, high-converting funnels, sales pages, and checkout pages all from your own server and at a one-time low price. But does it really live up to the hype? We'll explore the good, the bad, and even some surprising elements no one else is really talking about. By the end, you'll know who this tool is perfect for, where it might fall short, and what 5 exclusive bonuses you can grab if you decide to get it through the link provided in this review. Let's get started with a quick overview and then we'll move on to the pros and cons. So, what exactly is WP Funnel Pro? It's a drag-and-drop funnel builder that works right inside WordPress. But unlike other tools out there, this one doesn't rely on third-party hosting or complicated plugins. Everything is hosted on your own server, which means you maintain full control, data privacy, and branding authority. Let's talk about some key features that make this tool stand out. Drag-and-drop page builder. Even if you've never coded a single line in your life, you can visually build and edit your entire funnel in seconds. Smart funnel creation dashboard. You get one centralized location to manage all your landing pages, checkout pages, and bonus pages. Lightning fast page load speeds, no lag, no downtime. It's optimized for high performance, which is critical for conversions. Commercial license included. That means you're not just building funnels for yourself. You can create and sell to clients anywhere in the world. 100% WordPress-based. Seamlessly integrate into your existing WP environment without bloating your website. That's a solid list of benefits already, but now let's move into what people love about it and also what might be lacking. Pros and cons of WP Funnel Pro. Let's start with the pros, and specifically for big problems WP Funnel Pro solves. 1. Eliminates third-party dependency. With WP Funnel Pro, you own everything. Pages are hosted on your server, meaning you're not tied to external platforms that can go down or lock you out. 2. Saves time and money. You no longer need to hire expensive developers or subscribe to monthly tools like ClickFunnels or Lead Pages. WP Funnel Pro is a one-time payment, making it budget-friendly. 3. Complete creative control. The intuitive drag-and-drop builder gives you the freedom to design whatever you envision, from basic opt-in pages to complex webinar sales funnels. 4. Ready to deploy marketing assets. You get 4x done for you Facebook ad templates, 2x lead magnet landing pages, 3x sales pages, and a 5 email webinar sequence, done and dusted. But no tool is perfect, so here are a couple of cons that might matter to you. 1. WordPress dependency. If you're not using WordPress or don't plan to, this isn't the tool for you. It's designed exclusively for WordPress environments. 2. Slight learning curve. While it's beginner-friendly, users with zero experience might take a few hours to fully understand how to use the dashboard effectively. Now that we've discussed the pros and cons, let's visually explore some sample funnel templates and page setups built using WP Funnel Pro. To loading speeds, here's the overall verdict. Ease of setup, 4 out of 5. It's mostly plug and play, but does take 20 to 30 minutes to familiarize yourself. Price, 4 out of 5. A one-time fee for lifetime access is hard to beat. Value for money, 4 out of 5. The assets alone, ads, pages, email sequences, justify the cost. Quality of templates and graphics, 4 out of 5. Professional grade, but could use more variety for niche industries. Now let's talk about what you'll get if you decide to grab WP Funnel Pro through the link below this video. Bonus section. If you purchase WP Funnel Pro through my affiliate link, I'll throw in 5 powerful bonus resources designed to complement the software and supercharge your results. Here's what you'll get. 100 plus free templates for video editing. Save time creating promo videos or course previews. Viral video scripts, swipe-ready hooks and storyboards to create content that catches fire. AI video creation script, plan and create faceless YouTube videos using this plug-and-play framework. AI automation ebook, learn how to automate your workflows using AI tools, great for marketers and solopreneurs. Cartoon and animation video
Fast
bundle,
loading and
eye-catching
modern.
animated elements
Perfect
to
for
include in your
agencies,
sales and
coaches,
opt-in pages. You can
consultants,
access
and local
all these
businesses
bonuses
alike.
instantly by
Rating
purchasing
and final
WP Funnel
verdict.
Pro through my
After
affiliate
reviewing
link.
every part of this
Outro.
tool,
That's a
from
wrap,
setup to
everyone.
page creation
If
to
you're
loading
serious about
speeds,
building your own funnels
here's the
without
overall
monthly
verdict.
fees and you
Ease
want
of
full
setup.
control over your
For
hosting, branding, and performance, WP Funnel Pro is an excellent option. And finally, if you still have any questions or want a specific feature explained in more detail, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.